Hi, welcome to week 2, module 2 of the Enterprise Architecture IT Operations class. This week we're focusing on ITIL, the Infrastructure Library. It's an interesting topic to go over and to spend a week on, and I think it's worth spending a week on. We're going to be reading through the ITIL for Beginners book, which seems like a lot reading the whole book, but it's really a quick book. And what you'll see is it's kind of repetitive. What ITIL does is it lays out sort of the vocabulary and means to sort of structure out and understand how IT operations are dealt with by the vast majority of IT shops. How you deal with information, how you structure the service operation of an information technology group, and with the vocabulary around that. And it's important to do that, number one, because as we go through the rest of the class, you want to really be able to understand what does it mean when we talk about service level agreements, when we talk about servers, when we talk about all these different elements of information provisioning. What does that mean to our company, and how does it apply back into the business itself? And what ITIL does is sort of structure that out for you. So it'll be an interesting sort of topic. Like I said, we'll be reading the book, we'll have an assignment, we'll have a discussion throughout the course of the week, like we usually do, and we'll go into that. So anyway, without further ado, we'll get you kicked off here with the presentation and have fun.